The James Webb Telescope has basically nitty-gritty, the most clear picture of Proxima B ever, uncovering surprising experiences in regards to this possibly livable exoplanet. Go along with us as we set out on an excursion through space to uncover the insider facts of Proxima B and check whether it very well may be the following Earth. We should take off into the tremendous span of room where a secretive planet exists in the tenable zone of its star, Proxima Centauri. This planet isn't simply any standard stone. Its world's cousin, Proxima B, tracked down a simple 42 light-years from us. This planet is covered in secret and miracle. Might it at some point be another Earth, with seas and life flourishing with its surface? Notwithstanding, stand by, there's something else. Proxima Centauri B isn't the main planet in circle around the red small star. It has a sidekick, Proxima Centauri C. Who can say for sure what different mysteries the star framework holds? Maybe there's one more buddy that we presently can't seem to find. The secrets don't stop there. Proxima Centauri B gets about similar measure of energy from its star as Earth does from the Sun. Might this really intend that there's water on its surface and maybe life? As we adventure past our own planetary group, we track down a completely new universe of exoplanets, planets that circle stars other than the Sun. With 200 billion stars in the universe, the open doors for exoplanets are unending. Some exoplanets even meander unreservedly, untethered to any star, similar to maverick wayfarers in space. Among them all, Proxima Centauri B stands apart as a particularly striking and intriguing planet, with a year that endures only 112 Earth days, and a separation from star is commonly nearer than Earth is to the Sun. Without a doubt, one side of the planet is consistently washed in daylight, while the contrary side remaining parts in ceaseless dimness. Presently, we should talk about Proxima Centauri, the star that Proxima B circles. Proxima Centauri is essential for the Alpha Centauri triple star situation, which incorporates Rigil Kentaurus, otherwise called Alpha Centauri A, and Alpha Centauri B, together. These stars structure the nearest star framework to our own nearby planet group. The two stars, Rigil Kentaurus and Alpha Centauri B, structure a paired framework known as Alpha Centauri and NB. These G and K-type stars show up as one star in the heavenly body of Centaurus and are the third most splendid stars in our night sky, with a pinnacle splendor of under 2.7. Proxima Centauri, otherwise called Alpha Centauri C, is a red diminutive person or M-star tracked down 21 light-years from the other two stars, on various occasions the distance among Earth and the Sun. It is, as a matter of fact, the nearest star to us overall. Proxima Centauri signifies the closest star in Latin, and it was found in 1915 by Scottish space expert Robert Thorburn. Regardless of being our closest heavenly neighbor, it isn't noticeable to the unaided eye, having a clear greatness of 11.13, which is much fainter than the natural eye's constraint of 6.5. In any case, don't let that fool you. Proxima Centauri is, as yet, a star worth wondering about. Red smaller people like Proxima Centauri are among the most proficient concerning energy creation. They may not produce a great deal of energy, however the inner convection processes at their center keep them sparkling for trillions of years. Truth be told, Proxima Centauri will stay a principal grouping star for another 4 trillion years. Regardless, the livability of a red small star like Proxima Centauri is as yet discussed. As far as one might be concerned, it's a flare star, meaning it encounters customary and outrageous vacillations. As a low-mass star, its livable zone would be a lot nearer to it than the Sun's. Being somewhere close to 0.23 and 54 cents is anticipated. In any case, it's not so livable as it appears. Proxima B is assaulted by serious bright radiation from its star, ordinarily more grounded than the radiation we get from our Sun. It's serious to such an extent that even the lightest atoms of hydrogen are stripped away, alongside nitrogen and oxygen. However, that is not all. Since a planet is at the right separation from its star doesn't mean it can uphold life. Proxima B might not have a steady air, which is vital for controlling temperature and keeping a water-accommodating surface. Without it, Living organic entities would be helpless against brutal space weather patterns, making life almost unimaginable. In this way, while Proxima B might seem Earth-like right away, it is a long way from having the option to help life. Individuals remain to some degree mindful, as there are different variables that render it inadmissible. The journey to uncover reality, with regards to Proxima B, proceeds. A few people actually hold trust. One device that has caught the consideration of cosmologists is the James Webb Telescope. Following quite a while of expectation, the telescope was at long last sent off in 2018 and will help us in deciding whether there is life on Proxima B. Similarly, as with everything in science, things are never just about as clear as they show up. Different changes were important to guarantee that the James Webb Telescope conveyed precise pictures. As Abby Twist, a hypothetical physicist at Harvard, makes sense of, in the event that a planet like Proxima B can retain light from its star, it can likewise discharge it as infrared light. The James Webb Telescope was explicitly intended to recognize infrared light. It can catch pictures of this light in the world's surface and quest for designs that could affirm the presence of water or an environment. However, imagine a scenario in which the planet has an environment that isn't helpful for life. The presence of an air doesn't ensure the presence of life, alerts Ed Turner, an astrophysicist at Princeton College. Proxima B could be like Venus, with a thick air that is for the most part denser than Earth's and outrageous intensity that would make it unthinkable for life to exist. The excursion to disentangle the secrets of Proxima B isn't without its difficulties. While the James Webb Telescope holds guarantee, there are different elements to consider. With costs mounting, space experts are feeling the strain to track down ways of noticing planets like Proxima B. A lot is on the line, however the prizes are significantly more prominent. The potential chance to investigate the obscure and reveal the insider facts of a far-off planet that holds the commitment of life is an inspiration worth seeking after. If the exoplanet were livable, might we one day, at any point, visit it? It is the nearest exoplanet to us, which makes it all the really exciting, practically like investigating our tremendous terrace. Considerably more charming is that it is generally a similar size as Earth, and its situation in the tenable zone recommends it could really have conditions reasonable forever. Proxima B's vicinity likewise makes it an optimal objective for our quest for life past Earth. Given its closeness, it is an incredible possibility for interstellar missions. Really pause for a moment to think about the chance of investigating this world-like exoplanet. Despite the fact that we can't yet go there, it is most certainly on the radar for future missions. As innovation propels, it could become quite possibly of the most thrilling undertaking in the field of room investigation. In any case, it is no simple accomplishment. It would require 75,000 years for space apparatus like Explorer 2 to arrive at the Proxima Centauri framework. In any case, an answer has been proposed: sun-based sails. These super-meager sails could be utilized to push a space apparatus to the Alpha Centauri framework alongside Proxima. This innovation uses sunlight-based strain to keep the rocket on course, killing the issue of running out of fuel. Also, here's something much cooler. This state-of-the-art innovation could give experiences into the chance of life on different planets like Proxima B. However, similarly as with anything this aggressive, there are limits. For example, the presence of a climate doesn't be guaranteed to ensure the presence of life. Proxima B could be like Venus, with a thick, hot climate that is inadmissible forever. Besides, the James Webb Telescope has the capacity to identify such light on the off chance that it arrives at a splendor of just 5% of the daytime side. Presently, 5% may not seem like a lot. However, while managing a star that is ordinarily dimmer than our own sun, it's really a critical sum. Assuming Proxima B has a high-level human progress that is enlightening its surface, they may be utilizing splendid orbital mirrors to reflect daylight from the day side to the night side. How cool is that? There are endless exoplanets ready to be found in our universe. These planets come in all shapes and sizes, with some being monstrous gas Goliaths, while others look like our own Earth. Be that as it may, what do we are familiar them? One sort of exoplanet that has grabbed the eye of room experts is the gas monster. These planets are comparative in creation to Jupiter and Saturn, yet are a lot bigger. A portion of these behemoths have been named super-Jupiters, eclipsing even the biggest planet in our nearby planet group. Yet, that is not all. There are likewise hot Jupiters, gas Goliaths that circle very near their host star, existing in a burning climate with temperatures that could liquefy metal. Envision seeing such a planet very close, with its enraged tempests and extraordinary intensity. Notwithstanding gas monsters, there are likewise Neptunian exoplanets, which have sizes similar to Uranus and Neptune. Among these are hot Neptunes and scaled-down Neptunes, which are more modest and nearer to their host stars than their gas Goliath cousins. These planets are much of the time covered in secret, with their climates being challenging to study from a remote place. Also, we should not neglect the earthly exoplanets, which look like our own Earth. These planets come in different sizes, going from more modest than our reality to 2 times its size. There are significantly super-Earths, which have masses over 2 times that of our planet, yet are lighter than Neptune. One of the most charming exoplanets as of late found is Proxima Centauri b, which circles the star of a similar name. This planet is named a super-Earth, with a rough mass multiple times that of Earth. In spite of the fact that it is close to its host star, it is still excessively far away to be viewed as inside the livable zone. Proxima Centauri b isn't the only one. It has a friend, Proxima Centauri c, which is essentially farther from the star. This planet has an orbital time of around 5 Earth years and was found in 2020 utilizing pre-recuperation Hubble information. What's really interesting about Proxima C is that it seems to have qualities that could give further bits of knowledge into the elements of the Proxima Centauri framework. The investigation of these close-by exoplanets brings up significant issues about the potential for life past Earth. As we foster better advances and telescopes, our capacity to break down these far-off universes will improve, permitting us to look for biosignatures and different indications of tenability. The continuous revelations in this star framework, particularly concerning Proxima B and Proxima C, feature the significance of proceeded with galactic exploration. With each new finding, we draw nearer to understanding whether life could exist somewhere else in the universe, making the quest for exoplanets perhaps of the most thrilling field in present-day science. As we push the limits of our insight, the secrets of Proxima B and its sidekicks will keep on motivating people in the future of cosmologists and voyagers.